Assalamu alaikum. Already I have uploaded two videos on propagation of error. I thought to explain the concept in a better way with the help of a simple example. So I am recording this video. Already I have told you propagation of error is nothing but the combination of errors that occur in the usage of different kind of instruments to perform an experiment. Now suppose I perform a simple pendulum experiment. Simple pendulum experiment to measure the value of g. What is g here? G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. So with the help of a simple pendulum, one can easily find out the acceleration due to gravity at a particular point on the earth. Okay, so what is the formula used to calculate the value of g? Let's drive it. I start with the equation for time period. We know time period is what t equals to 2 pi root of L upon g. This is the formula used to calculate or to determine the time period. Time taken by the simple pendulum to complete one oscillation. Here t is nothing but time or time period taken by the simple pendulum to complete one oscillation. What is this simple pendulum? How it appears? In a lower class you might have studied about it. A simple pendulum consists of a bob, a mass which is suspended with the help of a string. The string may be a thread. This whole setup here, this end of the simple pendulum is fixed. This whole setup is referred as simple pendulum. What is this? It is nothing but simple pendulum. Here, the time of oscillation, the time period or the time taken to complete one oscillation does not depend on mass, whereas it depends on length. It is obvious from this equation. Okay, now here the aim is to get the value of g. So what I do, I square this to eliminate the root. So on squaring, t becomes t square and 2 becomes 4, pi becomes a pi square, and this on squaring, the square root disappears. Okay, it becomes L upon g. So g is taken this side. 4 pi square L upon t square. This is what I obtained. This equation is used to get the value of g, at a place where the experiment is performed. Okay. Now, let me explain propagation of error here in this experiment. Now, to perform this experiment, we use a simple pendulum. To get the value of g, we must know the length of the simple pendulum and also the time taken to complete one oscillation. These two need to be measured. So here, to measure the length of the simple pendulum, we use the meter scale. We know in physics, to measure the length, we use a meter scale. Meter scale is used to measure the length. In a similar way, time is measured. A time or time period is measured with the help of clock or watch. So in lab we use a stop clock or a stopwatch. Fine. This how. So these two instruments are used in this experiment. Okay. So when I use a meter scale, it may result in some sort of error. In a similar way, when a stop clock or stopwatch is used to measure the time, that may also come along with some error. These errors combine together to provide us propagation of error. Okay. So this is a simple example to explain the concept of a propagation of error. Propagation of error. I hope the video is useful. If you have any kind of doubt relevant to the topic, kindly put a question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.